Dear student, good morning to you all. Student, today we will continue lesson 10, that is respiration in organism. Okay dear student, today we will continue lesson 10, respiration in organisms. Dear student, in previous class we studied about what is respiration, what are the different steps of respiration, what are the different type of respiration, human respiratory system, how exchange of gases take place in human respiratory system. We also studied respiration in human being with the help of how exchange of gases actually take place, what is the movement of how the movement of the lungs take place, muscles of the lungs take place during respiration with the help of a model. Student, today we will continue this. As you all know, during respiration, the gas which is expelled out, which is released, it is known as carbon dioxide. Now, with the help of an activity, we will study this. Okay, dear student? For this, student, we need a conical flask. Okay. Conical flask is tightly packed with the help of a cork. This is cork. Okay, this one is conical flask. Inside this conical flask, student, we place some germinated seeds. Now, by making a hole, we place a U-shaped delivery tube inside this conical flask by making a hole in the cork. Then we tightly seal this so that there is no transfer of air take place between surrounding and inside the bottle. This U-tube shorter part is placed inside the conical flask, whereas its longer part is placed inside a flask having some colored liquid. Okay dear student, this is beaker with some colored liquid. Dear student, colored liquid may be prepared by dissolving potassium permanganate in water. Okay, or we can use any other colored solution. Now dear student, inside this conical flask we place a small ignition tube with potassium hydroxide. Dear student, the chemical formula of potassium hydroxide is KOH, and this is kept inside a ignition tube, and this ignition tube hang with the help of thread inside the cork. Now dear student, this is apparatus setup which is required for the activity. Again I am repeating, this is conical flask. Inside this we had taken some germinated seed. potassium hydroxide is suspended inside the conical flask with the help of a ignition tube. This short part of the U-tube is placed inside the conical flask, whereas the long part of the U-tube, U delivery tube, dear student, it is placed inside a beaker which is having some colored liquid. Now, dear student, as you know, during respiration process, what happened? Carbon dioxide gas is produced. Okay. So when these germinated seeds are kept for few hours inside this conical flask, they produce carbon dioxide gas. For this they need approximately 2 hour time. The carbon dioxide gas which is produced by these germinated seeds are absorbed by the potassium hydroxide, dear student, as a result of which a partial vacuum is created inside this conical flask, due to which the level of the colored liquid rise up. Okay, dear student, it is rise up on the U-tube. अगेन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग। इस एक्टिविटी में बेटा आपको एक कोनिकल फ्लास्क लेना होता है। एट प्रेजेंट कोरोना के कारण लैब क्लोज है, तो ये एक्टिविटी हम परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाएंगे। ये सेम प्रैक्टिकल आपकी क्लास 10th में है। अभी आप इसे समझ लीजिए किस तरह से इस प्रैक्टिकल को परफॉर्म करना है। इसमें हम ये प्रूव करते हैं कि एक्चुअली इस प्रैक्टिकल का एम है कि ये प्रूव करना कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस जो है प्रोड्यूस होता है ड्यूरिंग द रेस्पिरेशन। ओके, ये प्रूव करने के लिए हम इस एक्टिविटी को परफॉर्म करते हैं। इसके लिए जो हमें ऑपरेटर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है वो है कोनिकल फ्लास्क, U-tube, बीकर, पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, जर्मिनेटेड सीड एंड सम कलर लिक्विड। सबसे पहले हम जर्मिनेटेड सीड को कोनिकल फ्लास्क में रखते हैं। जर्मिनेटेड सीड जब इस ऑपरेटर्स में रखा जाता है उस समय वो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस प्रोड्यूस करता है। इस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस को पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड एब्जॉर्ब करता है। जब पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड ने कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया गैस को, तब इस कोनिकल फ्लास्क के अंदर वैक्यूम क्रिएट होता है, पार्शियल वैक्यूम। और इस पार्शियल वैक्यूम के कारण ये जो कलर लिक्विड है उसका लेवल इस U-ट्यूब में राइज अप हो जाता है। इससे हम ये प्रूव कर सकते हैं कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस इज प्रोड्यूस्ड ड्यूरिंग द रेस्पिरेशन। ओके डियर स्टूडेंट, आई थिंक नाउ एवरीबडी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज रेस्पिरेशन, हाउ इट इज टेकिंग प्लेस, which gas is released during the respiration. Okay dear student,